Respected dear family members, my pranams to you. Indian Institute of Scientific Heritage has started dharmanews.in. As I used to tell, dharma means duty, responsibility and privilege. In the Dharma News, we upload www.dharmanews.in. Through that will be available through Google, in your mobile phone, in your computer also. Daily 3 times or 4 times we upload about the achievement, about the importance of India, Indians in India and abroad, how India is cooperating with the foreign countries, how other countries are looking and cooperating with India. In short, the messages targeted to create a patriotic, self-respectful approach in the mind of every Indian. Very recently, yesterday and day before yesterday, many people commented in Facebook that every Indian should read dharmanews.in of Indian Institute of Scientific Heritage. Similarly, we have got international dharmaradio.in, www.dharmaradio.in, through which 24 hours the speeches are telecasted from Florida, and these two will be giving you enough information about India, past of India, present of India, future of India. That is why we give the name Dharma News. Dharma includes spirituality, it includes economical development, industrial development, commercial development, psychological development, academic development, social development, and all these aspects will be coming in Dharma. So we use the word Dharma News. Now I will be reading point by point the information connected with what we have collected, what we have given in Dharma News. Swiss Bank has put the record of black money, and India is standing in the 75th position in the black money level. First is England. In 2004, India was in 37th position. Last year it was in 61st position. Now it has gone to 75th position. In 2004, 28,000 crore rupees from Indians were there in Swiss Bank. Now it is less than 8,300 crores Indian money in Swiss Bank. Prime Minister said, ensure delivering till the last man in the queue getting the benefit of the offerings. Till the last man in the queue should get the benefit of the purpose of standing in the queue. Never limit based on the time or energy or office procedure. Give the facility, give the comfort, give the benefit to the last man in the queue. IT department could unearth 43,000 crore rupees as black money unaccounted for the last 2 years. Prime Minister's visit to South Africa, Kenya and nearby countries will be a grand mela. In South Africa, minimum 10,000 people are expected from Indian origin and other origin to listen Indian Prime Minister's speech. Next point, World Bank President said, Indian Prime Minister's performance is fantastic. World Bank President Jin Yong Kim said he is a big fan of Sri Modi. All over India, land records are being digitalized This will be the best method adopted for acquiring the land for the development, for the industry, for the railway, for other purposes. So now all the details are available in the digitalized form all over India. The pay commission given to the central government employees, as I told earlier, will be benefiting for about 50 lakhs employees and 58 lakhs pensioners. This will be definitely boosting the acquirement or the recruitment of high caliber candidates for working in government sector. The spending capacity of the government employees will be increasing. That will be creating the demand of the material. Thus, indirectly it will be supporting the production, sales and consumption. Biggest Indian petroleum company, Petronet, will be inaugurating their LNG terminal in Bangladesh. India has decided to start fuel supplying to neighboring countries like Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka, it is already existing through Indian system. So our brothers, our neighbors will be getting energy, fuel, gas and petroleum product through directly Indian companies, Government of India companies, or private companies owned by Indians. India will be giving full support, including all type of missiles, fighter planes, torpedoes, air force support to Vietnam. This is one of the best tool to check the movement of China. Indian companies are coming in the forefront in implementing the transparency policy, and very many top companies are far more transparent than the companies working in developed countries. Kolachal ANR Harbour, targeted in Kanyakumari district, nearly 35 kilometers from Vizhinjam Harbour, will be a challenge and waste of money and the output of a wrong policy, said many companies, many experts, many intellectuals. Hungary has promised all type of incentives for Indian companies if they are exiting from UK due to Brexit, Britain exiting from Europe. So Hungary has come forward for giving all support for Indian companies. Finance Minister of India said, financially, development wise, GDP growth wise, India is in a sweet spot. Many problems faced by many other countries. We Indians do not have those problems economically and financially. $29 billion carrying company, automobile spare parts making ZF company, is planning to establish their research and development wing in India. It is for the first time such a big company is investing for R&D group in India. Center plans to implement redressal procedures of the consumers and their complaints outside the court created by the companies. Any consumer has got any problem connected with a product, service or process, out of the court settlement is encouraged instead of dragging it through the courts for very many years. Indian Prime Minister nicely said to the press people, an excellent quotation you can also adopt in your life. You are asking for the deadline for many things. Repetition, you are asking for the deadline for many things, many projects, many programs. As an optimist, I believe more on lifeline than deadline. As an optimist, I believe more on lifeline than deadlines. An excellent quotation. Government of India has given rupees 1,800 crore to IIT Bombay to provide 10 crore solar lamps to the school children, to the family through the children. 1,800 crore rupees to IIT Bombay. New idea of carpooling done in Pune and Bombay, not merely targeting carpooling business, making money, but bringing together many industrialists, many business people, many type of intellectuals, many type of scholars, knowledgeable people together in carpooling business, so that they can share, care and cure each other, friendship building, business building, partnership building, even family partner selection is encouraged through this carpooling adopted by the company in Bombay, Pune and other places. Now Indian Navy has all facilities to keep their ultra-modern warships within the boundary of India. Formerly we used to keep our warships in the harbors of neighboring country due to the lack of facility in India. Now all Indian ships and submarines, including atomic weapon carriers, can be kept within Indian boundary and Indian mainland. Russia and India will be having joint naval exercise in a fantastic way. India is planning to produce 10 gigawatts solar energy by 2020. Scorpius company from USA will be leading the foreign investment for the electricity production through solar energy. International boundary with Bangladesh and India, the border security force has strengthened the boundary vigilance due to the problems taking place in Bangladesh. China's Oppo Electronic Company, OPPO Electronic Company, got the permission, approval to open their wholesale single brand electronic product in India. Even though China is doing negative to India, many Chinese companies are now waiting in the list for startup project, digitalization India project, make in India project and stand-up project and so on. So Chinese are investing in India with a full confidence. Rupees 1 trillion, that is 1 lakh crore, will be the amount expected by Government of India through auctioning the spectra for telecom companies. 4,300 megawatt energy is expected to be produced this year through wind power. This year I mean financial year. Indian Prime Minister Modi said, my aim is to transform India. At the end of my term, my success means people should feel the change taking place in India, change taken place in India. 200 heavily armed militants are waiting in Pakistan to enter India. Modi's third quotation, Modi said, we are Indian in our approach and international in our outlook. Indian in our approach and international in our outlook. Indian Army, Navy and Air Force will have separately all women battalion, and perhaps this is the first time in any country, all women battalion armed forces are inaugurated. Modi's fourth quotation, Modi said, "We will show the same speed and focus in constructing the toilets as in construction of airports. We will promote fishermen who promote our economy, and we will definitely promote the top Indian Administrative Officer Service rendering group in the same focus." Remember, the sincerity, devotion and dedication in constructing airports, harbors, national highways and toilets will remain the same. 571 high-level entrepreneurs are in the queue for startup projects. India's biggest oil refinery, costing $30 billion, will be coming up as a combined project of Indian Oil Corporation, BPCL, HPCL and EIL. All the oil companies coming together to invest $30 billion to create India's biggest oil refinery. Under some sectors, exclusive right will be given to certain airlines to take passengers. Many flights will not be going through that route. Only single flight will be given the exclusive right to carry the passengers from and to certain locations. Equitas, the company will be starting small functional bank throughout India. Equitas will be starting small functioning bank, and Reserve Bank of India has given permission to that. India is planning for an automotive mission plan for automobile revolution. Automotive mission plan to look after the automobile industry and providing all the facilities for exporting the products. US energy spokesman said world is moving towards renewable energy. India is the best leader to lead the world, and the ideal model for the world. India is working in renewable energy. Indian Index Industrial Production, IIP, for measuring the industrial growth, continued to increase for many years. It was negative, now it has come to positive. So IIP has reached an extremely positive level, showing or indicating that Indian industrial growth is moving towards positive marvelously. Prototype of the fast atomic reactor breeder nuclear plants manufacturing, creation, establishing and moving as a prototype is being undertaken in India without the foreign support. Madhya Pradesh government in full swing spreading LED lamp for saving the energy. Surprisingly, Andhra Pradesh, Chandrababu Naidu has implemented that. Out of the 5.4 lakhs street bulbs, 4.8 lakhs street bulbs have been replaced with LED. By the next September, this year September, all the street lights will be converted to LED lamps, thus saving huge amount of energy. Connecting all the Indian ports and nearby countries' ports, a leading master project has been developed by Prime Minister of India known as Sagarmala project. Fantastic development of all Indian ports will be taking place through the Sagarmala project. Power grid commissioning surpassed the target. The target for power grid commissioning was 22,500 crores, whereas the achievement has reached 30,300 crores. 71,000 crore has been added to that for fastening the total program. And the World Bank has already promised $1 billion for the project. All other values I told in rupees, this I told in dollar. Railway is getting new mantra. Railway is spreading the new mantra: decentralization, deregulation, delegation of powers. Decentralization, deregulation and delegation of powers to the cutting edge functionaries. That means using ultra modern technology, railway will be developed. Ganga and other rivers rejuvenation plan is being implemented. The work started yesterday in 231 centers. Thus, India is marching forward. I am explaining this through YouTube. This will be explained further in Malayalam and later in Hindi also, so that every Indian should feel proud and a sense of pride, confidence, and there should be no question to tell the world that we are marching forward, we are progressing, we are developing. The red tapeism has vanished, the inertia has gone. India is energized in all spheres. Spread this message. Positively visit www.dharmanews.in in your mobile, www.dharmaradio.in. That can be the message for listening, other one for reading. Thank you very much. My pranams to you.